Hi everyone, back again with another makeup video because it's been a while and makeup is like one of the things that's boosting my serotonin these days, so let's get into it. I actually got two new foundations recently. I got the Born This Way by Too Faced and then also the Fenty Beauty, and I really like both of them, but I've been using this one more just because like it was summer and stuff, so it's a little tanner. So I just put it directly on my forehead because I don't want to waste it. And then I just use a little foundation brush, brush it in. And I just use this brush to just get it everywhere. Oh, I don't really care about like how good it looks because then we're gonna go in with our damp beauty blender, and I just clean it like right before using it with my beauty blender cleanser thingy, so it gets it like nice and moist and fluffed up while also making sure it's clean, which is always good. Then I just go in and okay, that's that. Now we're gonna go in with some concealer and then the highlight. So this drawer is broken. I am still holding on to my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and if you're an OG, you know I've been using this for years, literally this bottle, because I don't have the money to like use new products and, you know, actually pay attention to expiration dates and everything, so whatever. So just do like my blemishes with that one, and then with this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, it's a little light, so I just go under the eye and blend that in. And lately I've really been loving baking, so we're gonna do that. Okay, cute. And then I just use this Laura Mercier, get a little bit on top, and then I just go in with the beauty blender, get a good amount, and just tap, tap, tap. While that's setting, I do my brows. So I usually use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I've run out. So I just went to Target and got this e.l.f. stuff, and I actually really like it. So this is just a brow pencil and then some brow gel, and it was like $3 each or $5 each or something like that. So not a bad idea to just go get some e.l.f. stuff if you're in a pinch. I mean, obviously, like when you get expensive stuff and brand name stuff, you're paying for more quality, I think. But if you're like me and only do makeup on rare occasions these days because you don't go anywhere, why not just buy the cheap stuff? So I brush and then I just go along the bottom and then this middle top. Then I leave like the inner part open just because I want to do like a more natural fade effect. And I just brush, brush, brush. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with the gel. Okay, anyway, so I start with the middle while I have the most on the brush, just so like the majority of the product will go to the middle part where it's fuller and more naturally thick. And then I do the Oh my god. Okay. Then we do this side. And then when there's the least amount of product on the brush, that's when we go and just lightly shade these hairs. Oh wow, they're so long. Let's put them to bed there. Okay. Done. So now we're gonna take this brush again and just brush off all that. Okay, so that's that. I've really been loving the Modern Renaissance palette, so we'll do that. Oh. Yay, okay, so I'm gonna start with a flat head brush and go in with this color. Tempera, I don't know. Oh, and I cleaned off the mirror so it's all clear so I can actually use it, which is nice, go me. And we're just gonna go on the brow bone with that. And I start in the middle where I want the highlight to be the most dramatic, and then kind of work my way in just along the bone or whatever. We are here for it. Then I'm gonna go in with just a regular blending brush. Let's just go right into burnt orange here. Let's just full send it. Okay, and that's just gonna go all up in that crease. Now I have tiny eyes, so I don't like experiment too much with a ton of color. I just want a little contour in the eye. And I feel like it's easy, but also semi-dramatic. Like I can pull the whole look together. I don't know, maybe I've conditioned myself. Alright, so that's that. And I'm also gonna go in under the eye. This is one of my favorite little tricks because it makes your eyes look bigger. Alright, and then I'm just gonna use the same brush and go in, it's upside down again, with Reglar. It's just gonna be like a darker orange, so it's gonna be my bold color. Gonna be more focused on the outer crease, but blended inwards. Just gonna layer on top of the base shade. Can you see? And just using what's left over on the brush, I'm gonna go under the eye again. We're gonna go in with red ochre, so that's gonna be this maroon shade, and I just really like maroon, so sometimes I just do regular brown if I'm just not feeling this dramatic, but fuck it, we ball. Then I'm gonna go back in with this flat brush and the same color, that Tempera, and I'm just gonna highlight the lid. And then I'm gonna take this little highlight brush and just go in with Primavera, so it's gonna be this gold color, and dust that onto the eyelid. Go into the inner corner. Ta-da! Then this Glossier liquid eyeliner, it's called Pro Tip, and we're gonna do a little wing. So wings are really a hit or miss for me. We'll see what happens. But I like to start with the outer, with the actual wing. Whatever. So I just kind of like draw a line and then I meet it. Okay, that is such a dramatic wing, but we're just gonna go with it because I don't have time to redo it. Okay, these look even enough to me, and I really don't stress too much about the eyeliner because the eyelashes are just gonna OP it anyway. So, moving on. Lashes. I use the Ardell Demi Wispies. I don't keep the like cardboard part, so I couldn't tell you which one it is, but they're like pretty standard. I see them everywhere. I just reuse like the same pair until I either lose them or they just become disgusting. I just grip it by the middle parts. So it took me forever to be able to do lashes, so don't stress. Then I take the glue, and I just bought this separately from the lashes, and then apply a generous helping. I wave it in the air a little bit to let it get tacky, but I don't really have patience, so I'm just gonna end up sticking it on anyway. Okay, let's try to do this like right looking into the camera. So I put the middle part on first, and then I do outside, and then inside. Okay, those went on pretty easily. I'm impressed. Alright, time for the next one. Okay, got him. So when those are drying, I do the rest of my face stuff. So we're gonna do a little bronzer, and I'm almost at the bottom. I'm so excited because me actually finishing something, wow. Okay, and then highlighter, and this is in a plastic bag because it comes in this little cute heart container, but I gave that to my little cousin, but I was like, you can't have the highlighter because you'll break it, so, and I need it more than you, so I just popped it out and put it in a bag so she could keep the little heart case, because I can't say no to her because she's too cute. So a little on that Cupid's bow. Okay, zip up my little baggie. Then we're gonna return to the eyes, and my eyelash curler broke, so I'm not gonna use it because I feel like I'll just stick to the lashes and pull them off. So since I think they're still drying, I just start with the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna go up and do the top. Just a little quick coat. If I had a functioning eyelash curler, I would be curling them. Just putting that out there. Alright, and then for lips, sometimes I use this Larizzi, and I talked about it in my last video, but now since we have to wear masks, like I don't really care to make my lips look good, but I do just like wipe off the foundation and just use my Too Faced lip gloss, the Lip Injection Extreme, and we just swipe on a coat of that, and then we move our little hair clip, and ta-da, we are all set. So thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love making makeup videos, and my phone just never has storage, so I don't really film them often, but okay, you guys, I always forget something, and this time it was the setting spray, also e.l.f., so let's do it, boys. Start your week off or continue your week on a great note. I love you so much. Have a great day.